Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I want to talk to you about these cordless electric scissors. I do want to mention I received this product in exchange for this video. Let's unbox it. Out of the box, you have your USB-C cable. It is a USB-A to USB-C. They do include an extra blade. Now these scissors do have lithium-ion battery. It does have a Type-C port right here, a charge port right here, and it does have 4 volts. So in order to operate these, if you press it, you can't right away, but you can see that it turns on. You do have a light right here in the front, so you can see what you're cutting. But in order to start the operation, you do need to press this lock button, which is this one. And this one also allows you to change the speeds. So it has speeds 1 through 5. And right now it's currently at 60% charge. So let's put it on speed 4, and then you just hold the trigger and it starts working right away. If you let go, it has this feature so that if in case for whatever reason you were to accidentally press this, it does not work. So it's a safety feature included with it. But in order to get it started, like I said, you just press this button and then you can press the trigger button and it cuts. Let's go ahead and cut something. And it cuts right away. This is on speed 4. Now let's go ahead and try speed 1. Speed 1. And it cuts very fast. It's very simple to use, and it makes quick work of even cardboard. So, and any other paper or anything like that, will get the job done pretty quick. That concludes the video on these cordless electric scissors. Thank you.